Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a full screen on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Discord and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Discord. Then you can update your app if you find here updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.